Hey guys, Dan here from Team Dragon RC. Off-season update. Today is the day after Boxing Day, so it's the 27th. We've got some new stuff getting ready to go. Don't forget, check out dragonrc.com.au for all your RC needs. 30 Degree North is on our website, ready to go. Just going to give you a little rundown on what's happening. So as you can see here, just after the state titles, you had to do this quick sticker job on it just to make sure it all looked sponsory. If that kind of makes, if that's a word. But as you can see, they're all started to peel off now, and we've got something really unique coming up for you. Something different. So we've got the body out, we've got some metho. This is an RC table. We've got lights up there in the background. Got a lovely tray sitting here ready to rock and roll. Now, you can see we've got all this lovely, easy stuff here. So what we're going to be looking at the moment, if I can grab it, this tube just here. Oz Post tube, looks pretty good what's in there. So, we'll come back to you in a minute. We'll let you know how it all goes. We're going to get a bit of help today. Try and get everything ready to go. This is the truck just after this. Haven't cleaned it up just yet, but we're going to get there soon. Alright guys, I'll see you later. And we're back, kind of in the same space we left off. As you can see, the video went really well. Everything went really, really good. Don't forget, check out dragonrc.com.au for all your CY race engines, SPT servos, and 30 Degree North gear. Just want to give a good shout out to Black Knight RC and Outlaw Wraps. Phenomenal job they did here with this unit. It's going to be a good contender for 2022. Hopefully we get to see you on track. We'll be going to meets over both sides of the city at LSCV and Hallam. And we'll also be at Geelong RC Off-Roaders. But yeah, check out dragonrc.com.au for all things 30 Degree North. Check out Black Knight RC for all things wraps. Righto guys, my name's Dan here from Team Dragon RC. I'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy the exit.